Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you this book here. It's called Let the Trade Winds Flow, and this is a book, and it says here that it's got killer mindset strategies so that you can finally stop shooting yourself in the foot and take profit from the investment markets and trade like a machine. What I love about this book is there is some excellent strategies in it for mindset. For most people, when it comes to trading the markets, it's usually our own mindsets that get in our way. And so it gives us these techniques in here that gives us strategies and the way to make sure that the outcome that we're obviously trying to get from the markets, that we're not going to sabotage ourselves. So that this is definitely a book that I would recommend reading, and even going back to from time to time if you find that you are going through a bit of a rough patch in your trading journey. So anyway, if you're keen to get this book, I've got the link in the description below.